friends, how are you? Today we are in a new location. Last time that I was in banana farm was just open, but this time we're in greenhouse now. So we will be going now to showing you this from the start how they are. We're gonna go into this greenhouse where they are planting banana, but there's another one on the other side. We will go there also, like the bigger one. But we're gonna go there now. Just follow me. We are. We're into this plantation. So this is from the beginning of the banana. They are putting. I will show you the plantation. This is like small ones. That's where they started and everything. So here is the owner of this farm. So here is the this plant will be grown up till September, October, and then winter season will come, and it will give birth to flowers. And end of like March, February, March, which they will start to harvest this place. It's very beautiful, very nice. It's quite very warm inside and all. So next go to the other place. So we're now we visit the other one where the plantations started and everything. So now is we're going into the red one. So just come in. Wow, look at this place. I feel like this place, like when I'm in here, I can say like rainforest or like tropical forest. Look at the banana trees and everything. It's like huge. And this place is now, I will ask him a few questions and then see what he will tell me about this. I want to get some information. Here is how they are giving water to this plant and everything. They are opening the water, and with the pressure, they are like going out like a rain. So it's a dropping. It doesn't damage the earth and anything. So you can see that. We will not open it now, so I don't want to get wet. It's very beautiful. And I will show you now that there's some of the trees give birth. So I will just show you there. Here is the banana tree already give birth, so I will just show you how it is and everything. So there it is. These are local, like a Turkish banana. There's two different, but this one is local. You can see, and I will show you one I see there. It's the other one. The banana already give birth and everything, so you can see. This will go down more and more and everything, and in the end, we'll be ready to harvest. You can see how big it is, and it's beautiful, really very nice. Banana trees, 98% of this tree is of water and everything, and they will try to have 2 harvests. So one of them, the first one will be from this plant, and then the other one will be from here. But if the weather conditions are right with it, other than that, they cannot do it. This year so far is not too much rain and the weather is so good and warm, so they will probably do 2 harvests, and they have to do something else in it, like they will do some holes and they will wait another plant to come out and then get the next tree to grow up to get harvest. Here is water is open already. It's beautiful. I want to be here with this beautiful sound of rain and everything. So I want to show you these bananas and everything, but this is not from this farm. Actually, when they are done, when they start to harvest and everything, this banana will be like double size. Thanks for watching. Bye for today. Hope to see you in next adventure.